Fighting over Daddy. Dory says it's my daddy.
Stop biting the hoodie.
It's my daddy.
Stop biting the hoodie. Hey! Hey!
What's going on, Dory? Huh? You protecting the daddy?
Cut it out. Cut it out.
Try saying no. Did you know cut it out? Hey, Calhoun. Huh? Is everybody friendly here?
Heather, why are you scratching me? I don't believe there's anything in here. Did I put biscuits in this pocket? No. Hey!
Say no! We don't do that. See? Problem solved. Where's the thing?
Where's the lion thing?
Where's the thing? Huh? Oh, Dory's got the thing.
What do you got with the lion thing?
Dory's got the thing.
Calhoun, no. No. No.
Where's the lion thing? Are you on it? Where's the lion thing?
Where's the lion thing?
Sitting on it.
Why are you making a giant ass video?
I wanted to capture special moments like Christmas morning. Right? That baby. Our old lady.
Where's the lion thing?
Crazy old lady. The crazy old lady. Where's the thing? Go get the thing.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What's that? What?
I told you. Squeak it.
I want you to stop biting at my clothing. I will squish you.
Yeah.
What do you think of being squished? You're pinned. You have no freedom.
Crazy old lady. Yeah. Here's the thing.